In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to host Lovable website 2026 step by step. If you've built something in Lovable and you're ready for the world to see it, this guide will walk you through publishing clearly and confidently. We'll keep things simple, explain what each choice means, and share a few tips so you avoid common hiccups. First, open Lovable and head to the specific app or project you want to publish. This brings you to your project's workspace, where you can see your latest updates. Take a quick moment to confirm everything looks the way you expect. Check your homepage, key pages, badges, and any recent changes. It's always easier to catch small issues now than after you go live. Next, look to the upper right corner of the interface and select Publish. This is where you'll choose your domain. You have two options. If you already own a custom domain and want your site to live at that address, choose the custom domain option. This is perfect for branding and makes your site easier to remember. If you don't have a domain yet, or you just want to launch quickly, use the free domain provided by Lovable. It's a fast, reliable way to get online, and you can switch to a custom domain later when you're ready. A quick note on choosing a domain. Keep it short, relevant, and easy to spell. If you're using a custom domain, make sure you have access to manage it through your domain provider. Lovable will guide you through any necessary connection steps, and you can always return to this setting in the future if your needs change. Once you've made your domain choice, click Publish. Lovable will start building and deploying your site. You'll see progress as it prepares your project and assigns it to the domain you selected. The first publish can take a minute, so give it a moment to complete. When it's done, you'll receive a confirmation and a live URL. Open your site in a new tab and take a quick tour. Check your navigation, images, and any interactive elements. If you made recent edits, a hard refresh can help you see the newest version. From here on, any updates you make in Lovable can be republished the same way, keeping your live site in sync with your work. And yes, you can share that link immediately with your audience, teammates, or clients. That's it. Your Lovable website is live. Congratulations on publishing and great job getting your project out into the world.